Good morning, girls. We are in continuation of our chapter number 11, and today we will do exercise 11E. This is about the quadrilateral. You all know very well that quadrilateral is what? It is a four-sided polygon. Any polygon or any closed figure which has four sides is called quadrilateral. Quad means four. Okay? So four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. Now, this quadrilateral can be divided into two categories, trapezium and parallelogram. What is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral only, that means it has four sides only, but where only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. What does that mean? Suppose this is a trapezium. Here these two sides are parallel, that means one pair is parallel, but these two are not parallel. This pair is not parallel. Only one pair is parallel. It can be this also, it can be this also, whatever. So that is called trapezium. Now what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both sides of opposite, both sides, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. What does that mean? That suppose this is that. This is also parallel to each other, this pair also, and this pair is also parallel to each other. So this is a parallelogram. This parallelogram can be further divided into three categories. First is rectangle. You all know very well what is a rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram or it is a quadrilateral. It is belonging to this. So this property that both pair of opposite sides are parallel will come in this also. That means opposite sides will be parallel. ये तो होगा ही होगा because it has come from parallelogram, right? What happens in rectangle? Rectangle opposite sides are equal also and sides are at 90 degree also. That means there are straight sides. See, so it will have these two properties also and this property also. What are these two? Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Then they meet at, all the sides they meet at 90 degree. That means they are all at straight. They are making a 90 degree angle. And here both pair of opposite sides are parallel. ये sides parallel भी है आपस में. Right? So it is a rectangle. Now a rhombus. What is rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram only. That means the opposite sides will be parallel. But here all the sides are equal also. Okay. But one thing. What is the difference then between square and the rhombus? In rhombus also we are saying all sides are equal. In square also we are saying that all sides are equal. The difference is in rhombus the sides do not meet at 90 degree. Okay, for example, see, all sides are equal, okay, but they are not making, suppose this is not 90 degree, okay, let me be more precise. Suppose we have like this is not 90 degree, right? All sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel also. This is parallel, this is parallel, so it is a rhombus. And what is a square? Square means all sides are equal and they are meeting at 90 degree also. Square can be made like this also, girls, where all sides are equal and this angle is of 90 degree. Each angle is of 90 degree. That is also a square. We have turned it. But when they do not meet at 90 degree, then it is a rhombus. I hope this is clear to you. You will make this chart first before starting this exercise. Please make this chart. It will be very helpful to you. Secondly, all the questions of this exercise we will be doing in the book only, not in the copy. You will do here. But girls, it is very important that when there is an assessment or a PA2 or finals, whatever, you must go through your book because these questions are asked. Doing in the book doesn't mean that these questions will not come. These are very important questions. So please, those who do not have a book, then what they will do, I will send you a picture of this. I always send a picture. They can take out a photocopy. वैसे तो now, by now, everybody should have a book. Okay. So you will do it in the book and you will go through the book also when there are assessments. Please remember that. So let's do the first question. Now the shapes below are drawn on squared paper. Name each shape. So this one is rectangle. The first one is rectangle. You can see very well. This one, it is a parallelogram. Why it is not a rectangle? First, they are not meeting at 90 degree. They are not straight. Okay. It is not also a rhombus because the sides are not equal. You can count the squares and you can see that the sides are not equal. So it is a parallelogram. Then this one, this is a square where all sides are equal and they are meeting at 90 degree also. Now this is a trapezium. Why? Only one pair is parallel. These two are not parallel to each other. So it is a trapezium. Then this one, what is this? This is a parallelogram. This one is a square. This one is a rectangle. This one is a rhombus. See here, girls, can you see the difference between square and the rhombus? Both are in the same shape, but there is a difference of the angle. Okay. Then we have a trapezium here again, and this is again a rhombus. Now the second question, fill in the blanks. A quadrilateral with all sides and all angles equal is a square. A quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and no right angle can be called as, all the sides are equal but they are not at 90 degree. So it is a rhombus. The second one is rhombus. Third, a quadrilateral with exactly 2 sides parallel. Only 2 sides are parallel. That means one pair is parallel. What is that? Trapezium. Fourth one, the diagonals of this quadrilateral are equal but not perpendicular. The quadrilateral is a rectangle. So girls, here you can write one more property, that here the diagonals are equal but not at 90 degree. These are the diagonals, you know very well, which go from one angle to the opposite angle, right? One point to the opposite point. These are the diagonals. They will be equal but they will not cut each other at 90 degree in a rectangle. Then fifth one, all rectangles, squares and rhombus are dash but a trapezium is not. All rectangle, rhombus and square, they are what? They are parallelogram. But trapezium is not a parallelogram. Okay. So the answer is parallelogram. Now we come to the third question. Determine if the given statements are sometimes, always or never true. Sometimes true, always true or never true. First, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. It is always true. It is a part of quadrilateral only, so it is true, always. A parallelogram is a trapezium. A parallelogram is a trapezium? Is it possible? No. You will write never. A rhombus is a square. What are they saying? Rhombus is a square. Is it possible that a rhombus can be a square? Rhombus can be a square only if they meet at 90 degree. Okay, so you will write sometimes. Whenever it meets at 90 degree, then it becomes a square. Otherwise, it will never be called a square. Okay, now, a trapezium is a quadrilateral. Trapezium is a quadrilateral. Yes, it is always. A rectangle is a square. A rectangle can be a square. No, this cannot be square because here the opposite sides are equal. Here all the sides were equal, here also all the sides were equal. If they had been meeting at 90 degree, then it would have become a square. But this cannot become a square. Okay, so it is never. A square is a rhombus. A square is a rhombus. Is it true or is it always, sometimes or never? So here the answer is always. Why a square is always a rhombus? Because it is having the property of the rhombus. See girls, it is that all sides are equal. What is the property of the rhombus? That all sides are equal. And that is of square also. So square will always be a rhombus. Though, because here all the sides are equal. Rhombus is having only this property that all sides are equal. So square will always be a rhombus. Okay. But rhombus can only sometimes be square. Next is A square is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle. So what do you mean by this? A square is always a rectangle. See girls, when a square is fulfilling the properties of rectangle. What is the property of rectangle? That the opposite sides are equal and sides are at 90 degree. Leave apart this. Leave apart diagonals. Okay. So here the opposite sides are equal also and the sides are at 90 degree also. This is a property of rectangle. So here square can be rectangle. Square will always be a rectangle because it is fulfilling its property. And the last one is four-sided plane figure are parallelogram. You can say that sometimes because sometimes they can be trapezium also. Right? Now we come to the fourth question. It is true or false. Number first. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. It is true. The opposite sides of rectangle are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in length. It is true. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Here in the square it has a property that the diagonals are equal also. You can write this property, additional property. Diagonals are equal and at 90 degree to each other. Right? So here this is true. Then fourth part, all the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. All the sides are of equal length. True. And fifth one, all the sides of parallelogram are of equal length. Parallelogram having all the sides are equal, are they all equal? It may be, it may not be. So it is false. And sixth one is the opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. Opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. They are not saying one pair. They are saying opposite sides. So it is false because here only one pair of opposite side is parallel. So the answer is false there. Now this fifth question is cut. We will not do this fifth question. Okay. Now we come to the MCQs. Let's do the MCQs also. A quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Which is that? That is a square. So D part is the answer. Seventh, a quadrilateral shaped photo frame has all sides equal. Which of the following is not possible shape for photo frame? Okay, now there is a photo frame and all its sides are equal. Okay. So it can be a square. Yes. It can be a rectangle. No. It can be a rhombus. Yes, it can be a rhombus. But it is definitely not a trapezium. Rectangle has all sides equal. So square is a part of rectangle also, na? So we can say, okay, it can be a rectangle, but here it cannot be trapezium. Okay. Eighth, a figure is said to be regular. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are also equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? What is a regular polygon where all, suppose it is a pentagon also. Pentagon means having 5 sides. If it is having all the sides equal and all the angles are also equal, then it is called a regular pentagon. Regular words is used when all the sides of a given polygon are equal, whether it is a triangle, pentagon, quadrilateral, any sided figure. You have learned this in the, you have not learned this, or maybe you have learned it. It is called regular when all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So in this case, can you identify the regular quadrilateral? Which will be a regular quadrilateral where all the sides will be equal and all the angles will also be equal? That will be a square. Okay. So C part is the correct answer. Now ninth, which quadrilateral is not a parallelogram? Rectangle, square, rhombus, all three are parallelogram. They have come from parallelogram. Only trapezium is not a parallelogram. So the answer is B, trapezium. It is not a parallelogram. So with this we come to an end of this exercise. I hope it is clear to you.